Let me remind you of the words. Jesus loves the little children, all the children of the world, red, brown, yellow, black, and white. And I see a lot of our Samoan brothers and sisters using that phrase. We are all God's people, red, yellow, black, white. But then God didn't symbol us that way. And when who's red? Who are you calling red? Because that is derogatory. That's very disrespectful to the Native Americans. Don't be disrespectful because you don't like when other people disrespect our culture or our people. So don't do it to them. Don't call them red. Okay? The words say red, brown, yellow, black, and white. Nowhere in the Bible do you find those colors. But we teach it to our children, that they all come in different colors. Okay? Let's not encourage this foolishness. It's not. And for our Tamama Tina, our elders who are in the comment section, if you don't know, Native Americans, like myself, don't like being called red. Okay? We don't like it. Okay? That's why we've been trying to push to get the Redskins, Washington Redskins, to change their name. But they're disrespectful. Why? Yang ay pulit palangi. That same sense of oppression that they've done to you, our Samoan people, you are blind to it. Not that you are blind to it, you don't want to see it. O aver kako mga oy mea palangi meu kako bopong sai kako vai. Bo kako le su do loko ma sa ili manguia o kako wo meu famet palangi kau ki manguia. Kaka ia kuai me le I like kaka ia. Ai ki nganko ai ak fo vanu le ata loti le ko ki oi go ia. O pongi sa ia. Ore awane eta uri tangata lanu mumu lanu sama le anga lengkang sama. O toi lole lanu sama. O toi lole lanu sama. If you school, this is a yellow. Le mas kanga kalang fa pea. Le mas kanga kalang fa pea. If you school, this is black. Le mas kanga kay langu fa pea. Bukan masa. No one is this color. That's black. That's yellow. That's white. So if you love to sing that song and you don't know your colors, go and learn the rainbow song first before you sing about Jesus loves the little children. Because nobody is the color you're describing them as. Nobody. Not one person. Mesela tatou le fie a mai tuspa ie fa sa o ia tou finaunga. Mo fa o fa nga mea. Le nga a once we go into the Bible, yeah. Nga I'm sorry, mai isi po asia le nga fie we love to point the fault in others. And we love to find fault in other people. And we think that's the Christian way. That isn't. That is incorrect. If you'd like to know, inbox me. I would love to shed some light on your darkness. Watch what we say, man. Watch what we say. You know, we become used to saying that. Red, brown, yellow, black, and white, they are precious in His sight. Why do they have to be different colors for Him to be precious in His sight? Why couldn't they just be little children? Those are the small things those are the minor things that shows the colorism that was taught to us. And even when you sing the song, you don't realize it. You see how ignorant we are? Kinganga usokul pese elengkanga kamu lengkanga ka enga lengkanga papa famaya. Ena sama uli pa esta ngatolela o ai kekea ele pa kekea. O pai lang lea. Mo e leo sila fia. Okay, ofo. Even Vow, Linfa Maita told Vale, even Vow went to level 3 and no, this is white, and no man is white. Au ka ko lewa PhD. Many of you who have your doctorates and your double doctorates and your doctorate and your chickenery and chickenry and yoi. O siri musa ya ka ko nga. Lefa mai o ko popoko. I don't have all the answers, and I've said that many a time. I'm not ashamed. Ain't no shame in my game. I know I don't know all the answers, but you know what? I'm willing to share what I do know. What are you doing? O ko yo mai mawhai mai, o le ala ko meo whai mo le angangu. What are you doing for the next generation? Le ato meo whai mo le isi o ngā tupulanga. Misiafo amoa for paco. Come on, guys. Don't try to use the Bible to justify. Man, somebody said it's in the story of Noah. Ole. Go and read your story of Noah again, because I read the story of Noah too. I read the story of Noah. Nowhere in the story of Noah did they say Ham was black, or Japheth was brown and Shem was white. Nothing. 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 But eu mayaka koma mai vai mai fa something yel nothing. We come with something, we come with nothing, and we try to make it something. Mai siri there. E awa ko e sing le pese nga. Yeah, let's not sing that song. Because that song teaches our children colorism. That song teaches our children that there are red people, yellow people, black people, and white people. Brown people. Kids are so pure in heart that they don't see that. But then we teach them those songs and they, oh, so that guy's black. Oh, so mom, so when the kid asks the parent, what's a red person? Yeah. Come on, people, wake up. Wake up. Wake up, go to the sink, wash your eyes, and your forward that's coffee. Because nga. What makes it even worse is that we are trying to help you. Even that, we have that mentality, o ko makukua. Awala le loe mako, mele karangoi mako. Masalo sa oko sisiku. Au le kule karangoa koe mako. Leanga ole mea na mato su e foi mato. Lea onga na mako. Mantuan, remember, the only reason why you sent us to school was to get this knowledge. So now that we have this knowledge and we're trying to share, and you said, shut up. Surely. Then why did you send us to school? Why did you come out here? For a better future if we're trying to teach you what they have been hiding from us and you tell me to shut up. But someone was mad that I said someone's palai. And I stand by that. I stand by that. Palai ka kangaka. Palai ka kangaka I live ai mai is kangaka yakako. We are afraid of what people might think of us. We are afraid that people might think that, we are not the subservient people that we've always been, where we always show respect. Then why doesn't the Palangi show the respect that Christianity teaches him to us? Why? Why not? Yang ay susu Palangi. Ngar kalinga. The Baron, not Sulz. Kung la if kung men nga peya pe sumri pe onga. Wa the thing is, I try to reiterate and I try to break things down and I try to make it so understandable. I break it down to the easiest way to explain. And still people don't understand. You know, sa tala tatu matua yeso ye wo le lo se si tua inga tala ole afayatu. Ole anga nu ua male fatfata le ala ona pe midfa u fa ngo kala ma fa la mole ma ku wala lo kwai. O ngolo vava yaki oko. Al mele va ya kwai ya ku lo wa upu ya kwa anta wa kaya u va ya oko wari. Ai le ma si oko so fa mele fa ya. Wo fia ngai kausanga o file Facebook ele masisi o file media. Le se koa. Ale la o sawe ku ai ko wo ko fai o kala. Fole, ele ila o le kala le nga. Ele ila ya a o le makanga yo Samoa ngai display o. Makanga yo le fai longa lango Samoa ngai display o your comments. You know when you make ignorant comments, you don't think you're absent-minded. It doesn't strike you as ignorant or racist. But the palangi that you love, they're gonna come and say, "Oh, good job, Samoa. Carry on the torch. You keep carrying the torch, Samoa, and racist and racist and racist." That's the truth. Like I said, walang ko kele kako wo support Black Lives Matter kimingi, liang lau ko kele. Liang lau kako ayaku oi, o me mo in me lau kupu. Ai angale ai. Isi machi wo umaku. Le yang oi kako. Le yang oi kako liang fa bea, o march au Mea-Uli. March au Mea-Uli. That's the same language. People have asked, why do I still use the word Mea-Uli? Because our people are still denying that it's racist. And once our people realize that it is and they decide to change the language, then it can be changed. But right now, we can't change it. Because there's only one thing in the Samoan culture. There's only one thing in the Samoan culture whose ugliness is covered. And that is when the eye of the buttocks is tattooed. Because that is considered le matanga, your anus. When the anus is tattooed during the tatau, that is called punitai le matanga, or to cover the ugliness. So I urge you, let that be the only ugliness we cover. Because that is the only ugliness in our culture that we cover. Let's not try to justify our racism. Let's not try to use the excuse of, oh, yo kalasua, we're just joking. Then why don't you joke like that to the palangi? My first poem that I wrote, you know what I said? I said, ikele yo meo ke whaia inga ia ka waia o Samoa. Ai a saule palangi whahai e matai leise me mo na tai moa. Wa fia ngai palangi wa ku ngama wha makai ka ku. Fia. How many white men have come to Samoa and you've given them our treasured titles? Mea singa ia ka ko. Aleo mai o ko. Manga o ko fa e palangi. Lala wo sa man palangi ngai. Kusa lala wa aya kia u anta we kaya. Ma ai palangi lo chai chol nga vaku. Awai le ai sanga me mawai. Kulo wa upo ko ya kia upeng fa. Le ko mi de fa u. Le anga o fiu wa fa yaku ya le. Ai pe la le mali. Se fa yaku la sa ule mali. Pe asa fa longo. Pe kinga, pe o onga, pe makui, pe ke le ilai foi. Ya. E se meu yai fai pela ud malo. A o lau kakalo, aonga i eso fa ngau e ulit kingo. A waka kongo mai oe a yeso fa ngau e ulit kingo. A o oe ngaka le ke fai mai ele o yese fai longa langu Samoa. O nga e lola yur kinga le mo kinga ai. O nga e sila fia la i le mele makui kua i le maulia. Ku ungi me fai longa langu. Yeah. Statu fasolna. Because I'm hearing too many people say that we are all lives matter. We are all God's people. Red, brown, yellow, black, white. You learned that song as a child. and you don't even, and now that you're an adult, you don't realize the ignorance and the race, the colorism and the racism in it. You, my brother, you, my sister, uncle, auntie, mama, and papa, if you don't see how racist that song is that you learned when you were young, well, I'm sorry, Mea-Uli. I'm sorry, Mea-Uli. Now, Tafawata, one of our followers, who had also made a video about what I had said before, wants to know my name. My name, Tafawata, is Mea-Uli Mason Mataele. And before I carry on, I want you to understand, Mea-Uli is not a Matai title. Lo ingoa Mea-Uli Mason Mataele o Mea-Uli le suaf Matai o lo ingoa. O te sau, ele mwhaina o ta ua tua se nuu e tasi o te sau ai leanga e mawhalai ia falala solo ia la lao o ainga. Ia mata mai ala ainga mai o ili meo so ili lai tai samsama tui manua. Ia po saua. Se ia pa ianga renga. Po wha sauri. Those are all my villages. Because if you really know, for my Lion King, we are more than we are one. I left my akako kangaka. Red, brown, yellow, black, and white. Oh man. Keloa. Dila fai ukako live. Pawan me mo o ile red, brown, yellow, black, and white. Ngau ko iloa. Kiska muli.